Hi, let us go ahead and talk a little bit about WAT. Now what does this mean? It basically means a written ability test. Let's go deeper. Diagnose मतलब क्या है? Written लिखना. Ability inherent capability क्या है? Right? Test evaluation means. So what is your capability in terms of what you write? मतलब आपने कितनी क्षमता है basis what you go ahead and write about a particular topic. अब WAT का objective क्या है? Objective ये है आप जब एक corporate scenario में जाते हो, आप जब एक professional scenario में जाते हो, आप जाके जब लोगों से बात करते हो, when you interact with people, can you ensure that the point that you are trying to made in a succinct manner? That means clear cut, ज्यादा घूम फिरा के नहीं बोलना पड़ता. Secondly, can you ensure that they understand what you are trying to state? And thirdly, can you make it something which elucidate, or can you add pointers that elucidate the point that you want to make? मतलब can I give example? So मैंने एक point बना दिया, एक example देता हूँ to elucidate this further, to get deeper into it. That's the objective, right? Eventually corporate world में आप वो चाहते हो, वही चीज यहाँ test हो रही है. What do they turn around and do? They will give you a topic. Either it is something which is topical, मतलब general knowledge oriented, Russia-Ukraine crisis ले लो, Fed rate cuts ले लो, climate change ले लो, green energy ले लो, anything like that. Or they will give something abstract. Orange is the new black ले लो. That's an abstract topic. Right? Something like that. So either of them, all they are trying to do is see, number one, is there a sense of creativity in terms of how you approach a particular topic? Second, are you able to organize the thoughts that you have related to this particular topic and express them in a succinct manner? Third, are you able to elucidate your thoughts with examples? And that's exactly what a WAT tests. The ideal way of going about it is start with an introduction where you go ahead and give a basic understanding, move to the body, which could be two different paragraphs, one where you make one particular point and elucidate with an example, second where you make a second point and elucidate with an example, and finally the fourth paragraph, which is a conclusion where you end it. Now, one example or one let's say hack that I will suggest that you can go ahead and use when it comes to WAT is the concept of PESTLE: political, economic, social, technological, environmental, and legal. If you look at this mnemonic and any topic you evaluate basis this mnemonic, you will be able to identify or look at that particular topic from multiple angles. Pick any two. Pick the political angle or the social angle. Pick the economic angle or the technological angle, legal angle or the environmental angle. They become your two paragraphs elucidated with examples. Hopefully this helps you. All the very best.